on. I'm 24 years old. I made $105,849 last month. And so far, 9 days into February, I already made $34,193. And so I'm documenting the journey every single day to reach my goal, $1 million a month. All the failures, lessons, hardships, feelings, thoughts, everything in between. You get to see it for yourself so that you can learn with me, avoid all my mistakes, and hopefully I'm able to build a blueprint for whoever's watching this to be able to do it too. But yeah, it is a Sunday, not just any ordinary Sunday. It is Super Bowl Sunday. So for all my non-Americans, we love to watch what we call football, or I guess American football. It's like the biggest sport in America. And for whatever reason, everybody who doesn't even watch sports on this fine Super Bowl Sunday watches basically the championship game, either for the commercials, just spend time with friends and family, or you generally love football like I do. So yeah, I gotta get ready for church real quick. After that, gotta get my classic Sunday routine in with groceries, laundry, meal prepping. After that, probably gonna hang out with my boys, watch the Super Bowl, and then we'll see where the day goes from there. So that being said, let's get the day started. Let's go. Dean, who you got for Super Bowl? Kansas City or Philadelphia?
I want Philadelphia to win.
I don't want to see history. We got a D1 hater over here. I, on the other hand, I want to see a little history go on.
It would be
maybe
cool, not gonna lie.
Maybe Michael Jordan-esque if he gets a three-peat. We'll see though. Anyways, we're somewhat early to church for our standards. More like 30 minutes late still. Time to celebrate some God. All right, about to get some groceries, knock these out. Honestly, I need 2 hands for grocery shopping, so just trust that I did it. 53.65 for all these groceries over here. Groceries are done. Now I just gotta do my chores to get ready for the week. Like I find like if I don't prep for the week in terms of like laundry, cleaning, meal prepping, all that, I feel low-key kind of stressed and behind. So really important, gotta stay on top of things, and by the time Monday rolls around, I'm chilling. Least favorite part of the day, gotta meal prep my chicken. You know, gotta do it, just stay healthy, it's all good. And boom, lunch made for the week. So last Friday, I accidentally dropped my phone. Oh, okay. And then my fucking screen cracked. Gonna replace it with another Magic John screen protector. I always see these on TikTok, and I've been using them for like the past couple months, which allows my phone to kind of have like this privacy protector type thing. Honestly, I just suck at putting screen protectors, so this is not sponsored. Magic John is not paying me a dime for this. I'm not affiliated in any way. Thought it would be cool to share with you guys because it is kind of dope. Only problem is that it's like a 50-50 shot of actually putting it on right without any air bubbles, but we'll see if I get it done. This bad boy off. So all you have to do, stick it on, make sure it's lined up right. Okay, hopefully this is lined up right. I'm praying to God. Okay, so I think it is pull the dust removing tape. Oh my God, that's strong as fuck. Okay, and then swipe, and then peel, and then lay it on there. Decent enough. Take this off. And for the most part, pretty good. A couple air bubbles. Honestly, I've learned that over time, they just kind of fade. So there's no point in really trying to put on more. You know, it actually, okay, no, there's like 2 more air bubbles. That's chill. I'll just, get it out somehow. I think that took less than like a minute, maybe 2, and boom, we have it just like that. All right, just gotta set up some text automations for my free class on Thursday. Then I'm pretty much chilling for the day. Totally forgot, but that's the beauty about having a VA, a virtual assistant, is that any mindless tasks that you don't wanna do, you can just outsource the work to a virtual assistant and you're chilling. So I actually don't have to do that anymore, lit. Pretty much done with chores for the rest of the day, so I am straight chilling. So now I'm just thinking about how I want to attack the week. And so I'm just thinking like Monday through Thursday, I'm basically doing the same shit every single day. Like it's pretty much, I just wake up whenever I want, get a workout in, then hit the hot tub, pool, sauna, steam room, shower, have like a meeting or 2, cook dinner, and then that's it. You know, we all get into this entrepreneurship journey to do whatever you want, whenever you want, with whoever you want. And not to just be stuck in the same routine and basically just being stuck in the quote unquote matrix. I'm gonna try to mix things up. The only thing that's hard is that it's cold as shit in Chicago, so it's really hard to go outside. But maybe I'll try to find excuses to be able to just go outside and live life in Chicago, even on a weekday, and see what happens. Yeah, a lot to think about. Just want to avoid the whole matrix lifestyle and be able to live life on my own terms. So we'll see. Lots to think about, but that's just what's on my mind right now. All right, Chipotle is done. I'm satisfied. Now very cold. I get back to the apartment, and then I think Dean's about to scoop me to go to our boys' Super Bowl. I don't even know if it's a party. It's like 5 people. Man, that was such a mid Super Bowl. Complete blowout. The Kansas City Chiefs and Patrick Mahomes didn't get the three-peat, unfortunately. No history is made, and the halftime show with Kendrick Lamar is pretty mid. Overall, pretty L of a day, but that is okay. But yeah, excited to get the week started. Lots of big changes I want to make and a lot of improvements to keep growing my business to the moon. So yeah, I guess that is the beauty about being an entrepreneur, is you don't have to regret and resent having to wake up on a Monday and start the whole 9-to-5 grind until you finally get out of it on Fridays. Like, you can enjoy every day and not have to wait for the weekends. And I remember texting one of my friends that, like, way back in the day when I was still in college. I was like, I can't wait till the day, like, I never have to feel like this sadness that the weekend's over. And now I actually live that as a reality. Like, every day just feels like a weekend to me, and it feels fucking great. But as always, official numbers for the day, $2,623. And for the week, I made $35,875. So yeah, if you are wondering how I'm able to make all this money without doing much work, I just made a free course on YouTube breaking down exactly how I made $2 million profit just type messages on my phone. Now you can do it too, or make like 3 to 4K a month from home if you want. Just check out this playlist right here and get a pen and paper out because it's gonna go crazy.